What is a logical long arrow? I am Christian Homan. Welcome to this episode. In order to explain what a logical long arrow is, I will use a quote from the founder of the Virgin Group, Sir Richard Branson. Take care of your employees and they'll take care of your business. The quote suggests a cause and effect relationship between the two parts of the sentence, which can be expressed in a more logical thinking, process-compliant way as, if you take care of your employees, then employees will take care of the business. When hearing or reading the quote, we can sense there is a kind of cause and effect relationship, but it's somehow weird altogether. It's like something is missing to make the stance stronger and clearer. Those of you being familiar with critical thinking or the logical thinking process would question this statement for its logical soundness. In the logical thinking process, such a statement would be qualified as a long arrow, a jargon expression for a long leap of logic. A leap of logic is the omission of one or several cause and effect steps that connect a cause to an effect. In order to fill out the blanks and check if ultimately a connection exists between taking care of your employees and them taking care of your business, we need insider explanations. Those explanations are found on Virgin's website. The link is in the description of this video. And I will use them to reconstruct the logical cause and effect steps from bottom, which is the cause, to top, which is the effect. The complete structure looks like this. The black boxes are elements found in the blog post. The blue boxes are padding elements I added for the sake of good logic, but are not stated in the blog post. If we start from the bottom and read our way up, we can check the logical soundness of the whole reasoning. We begin with, if we take care of our employees, then we are supporting our employees across all aspects of life to help them be their best selves. If we are supporting our employees across all aspects of life to help them be their best selves, and if we put employees in the driver's seats of their own lives, then we show our employees we care about them and appreciate them. If we show our employees we care about and appreciate them, then our employees feel great and have the support they need. If our employees feel great and have the support they need, then our employees are better able to engage, be more productive and thrive. If our employees are better able to engage, be more productive and thrive, then some engaged and thriving employees make a stellar team. Please note that this blue entity or box is a personal addition that I felt necessary for a sound connection with the stance our company needs a stellar team to design, build, improve, sell and service. Now the two read, if our employees are better able to engage, be more productive and thrive, then some engaged and thriving employee make a stellar team, and our company needs a stellar team to design, build, improve, sell and service, then our company has a stellar team. And this again is an addition to make the unspoken implicit effect visible. Finally, if our business is about designing, building, improving, selling and servicing, and if our company needs a stellar team to design, build, improve, sell and service, and if our company has a stellar team, then employee, which make the stellar team, will take care of the business. Note that I used myself a little shortcut here by assuming that everyone now understands the link between the employees and the stellar team. And now we have the full linkage between the cause, take care of your employees, and the effect, they'll take care of your business. And you can see how long this arrow is. Long arrows or leaps of logic are to be avoided for the sake of logical soundness, and because they are likely to confuse an audience as the listeners or readers cannot naturally link the elements together. This can lead to lose the confidence of your audience during a presentation or a sales pitch when the people listening feel uneasy about your message. Now you've probably noticed that in the first blue box, the statement "some engaged and thriving employees make a stellar team" suggests that not all employees behave that way. This opens a negative branch or an unintended consequence. It reads, if our employees are better able to engage, be more productive and thrive, and some employees take advantage of the benefits without engaging themselves, then some employees will not take care of the business. If no countermeasure is taken to prevent this from happening, then the original statement will not always, not automatically be true. There are more explanations in the blog post about hiring new people, and I display here the full current reality tree we can build upon those elements. As you are now familiar with the way of reading such a tree, I let you exercise on this additional branch. I hope you found some value in this video, and if so, please give me a thumb up, share it. Thank you for your interest and stay tuned.